We're going to take a look here at the reaction of hydrogen peroxide solution with potassium manganate 7 crystals. Potassium manganate 7 is also referred to in traditional names as potassium permanganate. The potassium permanganate is sprinkled into a mixture of burning hydrogen peroxide and ethanol. Once the reaction is going, typically with a blue flame, so we're showing this in the dark to make it easier to see, we tap in about 0.5 gram of larger potassium manganate 7 crystals, and the bang evolves. Safety is paramount with this experiment. The person doing the experiment must wear a full face visor and use safety screens to protect the audience, and to make sure that any alcohol that has been used to set up the experiment is put to one side and with its lid on and kept out of the way. The reaction is an interesting one. If you consider what's going on, the reaction with potassium manganate 7 and hydrogen peroxide liberates oxygen, which causes faster burning. An alkali is formed because we're generating hydroxide ions, and a brown solid of manganese 4 oxide, browny black solid of manganese 4 oxide, MnO2, is formed, and this makes the mess. Those studying pre-university level chemistry will notice that the manganate 7 ions are being reduced down to the +4 oxidation state in MnO2, and if you look at the hydrogen peroxide molecule, the oxygen there has an oxidation state of +1, and it's becoming elemental oxygen, which has an oxidation state of 0. The oxidation number of the oxygen in the water that's formed as a result of this reaction is -2. A drop in oxidation number is reduction. Since the same element has both been oxidized and reduced in the reaction, we call this a disproportionation reaction. Note that the potassium ions from the potassium manganate 7 do not take part in the reaction, and as such they would be termed spectator ions.